church talaga kami. There's no question about that. We wanted our wedding to be, witnessed by our families.
Tahimik ang basketball heartthrob at kapuso host na si Chris Chiu pagdating sa kanyang love life. Bagamat bukas sa publiko ang pagkakaroon nito ng kasintahan, marami pa rin ang nagulat nang lumabas ang balitang nagpakasal na ito sa kanyang longtime girlfriend na si Clarice Ong. The Star Talk reported last week na ganap ang pribadong wedding sa Vancouver, Canada noong September 7.
Parang nagkaka-goosebumps ako. Hindi ko mapaniwala na ito na yun. Ito na talaga nangyayari na hindi mo pa rin ma-describe yung feeling, yung tuwa mo, yung ligaya mo na, na ito na yun, you're gonna be spending the rest of your life together, and it's gonna be witnessed in the ceremony by, your closest family and friends. And in the eyes of God, she looks gorgeous and beautiful, and just the perfect bride.
Tumagal ng 12 taon ang pagiging magkasintahan ni Chris at Clarice bago sila nagpasyang lumagay sa tahimik.
We really get along well, and throughout the 12 years that we've been together, parang hindi pa rin nagbabago. At lalo pang nagiging close kami at tumitindi ang pagmamahal. Bakit kami tumagal ng ganyang katagal, di ba? Dahil sa upbringing namin, our families are both very, I would say, conservative and very big on values. Tagal na nga namin kakilala, so ever since yung mga kapatid niya, parang mga totoong kapatid ko na rin, we spend a lot of time together. They're very, very close as a family.
Matapos ang kasal ay kaagad bumalik ng Pilipinas ang dalawa para sa kanilang mga commitments. Kabilang narito ang kanyang Sunday program sa GMA, ang I Believe.
So the honeymoon had to wait, or has to wait.
Ilang plano niyo bang
Anak? Kung ano yung ibibigay ni Lord, syempre. For us, we're very devout Catholics, and we see children as blessings from God. So, the more the merrier, I would say. But of course, you have to be practical also. So, whatever God gives us, we'll be very thankful and we'll be, very happy. So, we'll take it one step at a time. Isa-isa muna.
Samantala, may paliwanag naman ng basketballista sa ilang ulat na inilihim nito ang kanyang pagpapakasal.
Yeah, I guess, marami nagulat. But I don't know why. Hindi naman namin itinago. Wala naman kasi nagtanong. Nagtanong sila after na. So, hindi naman kami yung type na magbo-broadcast ng isang wedding. Kasi, our families have always been private, and there's no need to make it a spectacle or, a circus. We just wanted to keep it as simple as possible.